KUKA Connect is a new cloud-based software platform that provides access and analytics for your KUKA robots. It's the combination of cloud, web, and mobile technology to a connected KUKA robot. We can securely transfer data from the factory floor to the edge into the cloud, and then you can view condition monitoring data, asset management data from any device at any time. With the Internet of Things, or Industry 4.0, you've had this convergence of IT and OT technology. And really, the primary value proposition is taking these ubiquitous IT technologies that have been applied to the financial domains, the backbone of the Internet, and applying them to an industrial use case like a connected robot. What's interesting to me is that leveraging these standard IT technologies, you have these really hugely impactful benefits, like the time it takes to install KUKA Connect to access your robot. It's instantaneous. It's a cloud-hosted service. There is no install time. That's a basic benefit. You kind of take it for granted with web solutions. But if you look at what's happening today in industry, you might spend a day or two installing software, connecting a local PC to a local robot. That's really one of our primary points of emphasis, is making it really, really easy to adopt. We want it to be super simple for you to be a user and to connect your robot. Another kind of benefit, which you shouldn't take for granted, is that the horizontal scalability of Cloud Fabric means we can scale up thousands, millions, potentially hundreds of millions of connections to robots, leveraging these technologies that are proven to scale to that many connections for just standard internet usage. So it seems pretty straightforward. It really takes no time to install, and it's super fast and responsive. But really having those things come to fruition is a tremendous amount of technical power that is not to be ignored and is a huge benefit. So when you look at the connected robot, the first step is simply securely and reliably connect your robot so the data can be visualized from any device at any time. But once all of the data is there, that's when the fun begins with these technologies like machine learning or deep reinforcement learning, where we can have the data from the axis position, the events that get generated, maybe huge logs of 3D perception data from vision sensors, and you have all of this information stored, available as a huge input set to machine learning that we can then run analytics across that and look for very interesting correlations that a human might not derive with their own insights. So I am really proud to have the team launching KUKA Connect by the end of the year, but it's really just the beginning. It's a robust cloud platform for programming robot services. We will, on a regular basis, when you subscribe into KUKA Connect, rapidly deliver new services and features that come up through this great user interface. But at the same time, we're going to be opening up this SDK and creating an API and a platform so that our ecosystem partners and our own internal developers can create apps on the KUKA Connect platform, which we hope is really a cloud-based robot operating system and a great ecosystem where we can drive value to our customers and our partners can as well.
Orange Intelligenz.